fat suit.
Try this. Turn off the music, turn off the TV, turn off the computer, and sit in total silence. Do you hear that? That ringing? People say it is your brain making up a sound to explain the silence. People lied. I can't tell you what is making that sound, but whatever it is, you don't want to meet it. It is trying to break through, force its way onto our plane of existence. Now try this. Turn everything off. This time, turn the lights off too. Still hear the ringing? You better hope so. If you don't, it's because they have finally managed to break through and into your head. And no amount of running will save you.